Captain, and this is ReSource, a self-healing buyer for agent services. Most agents are permanently connected to one provider. When that provider becomes slow, expensive, or unreliable, the agent keeps calling the same failing service. ReSource separates the service requirement from the provider. A standing order defines the buyer's price, latency, reliability, budget, and failover requirements. ReSource continuously discovers providers, excludes them against policy, verifies their results, and replaces them when they stop meeting the requirement. The life cycle is simple: define the need, source the market, verify every result, and heal automatically. Let's run the live system. This is the live resource by a runtime connected to KeeperHub. The public demo is sponsored, so the user does not need to connect a wallet or enter an operator key. Every payment still requires explicit confirmation. This is standing order request transaction risk intelligence. It defines a maximum price, a latency SLA, a reliability floor, a recurring cadence, and automatic failover. The providers are discovered from the KeeperHub marketplace. ReSource applies hard eligibility rules first, then scores eligible providers using price, observes reliability, and latency. The selection is deterministic and auditable. I'll start the real procurement sky now. And it's finished. Provider selected and quote secured. No payment can happen during this stage. A provider has now been selected and ReSource has secured an X42 quote. Before moving funds, it shows the exact provider network, token amount, atomic amount, and full recipient address. Let's authorizing the exact quote now. The agentic wallet is satisfying the X42 payment challenge. KeeperHub then executes the paid marketplace workflow, and ReSource validates the returned result against the expected schema and service level policy. The payment settled and provider result passed verification. ReSource records the execution, settlement evidence, latency, spend, and provider outcome in its audit history. This is the real base settlement transaction returned by execution flow. The dashboard now reflects the completed cycle, provider evaluation, verified purchase, execution count, and total spend. The live timeline records every important decision, so provider selection and payment are not hidden inside the agent. Now let's go into executions. KeeperHub execution ID, payment protocol, transaction hash, provider, and final status. ReSource also includes a separate direct KeeperHub execution proof of base Sepolia. The marketplace X42 payment is on base, while this public transaction provides direct on-chain execution path on base Sepolia. You can check the integration settings now. Yes, it is ReSource. It is more than an X42 payment client. It is the buyer-side reliability layer that decides which service is eligible, what may be spent, whether the result is acceptable, and when the provider must be replaced. KeeperHub handles marketplace access and reliable execution. ReSource keeps the agent service requirement alive. X42 process for base mainnet, direct proof for base Apolia. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.